As a content creator, are you looking for great music that can be included in your video, just like the one that I'm using right now, without getting copyright claim or strike? Now, this music can certainly increase the engagement on your videos, which can help you to get great views as well. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 powerful ways on how you can get great music and also get the most popular music from their platform so that you can get great engagement as well. So let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. Now to start with, here is the first website. The first website is Pixabay, from where you can get great music as well. Now to get great music, just scroll down and here you can see as a music. It's completely free. You can use the music in your video and you're not going to get the copyright issues as well. Now the moment you come to music, so you can see a lot of music tracks that are available here, and you also have the download option. Now say for example, if you want to search a particular music, say for example, I'm searching for calm, right? Now this is what I want. You can search and you'll find a list of them here. Say for example, I want to just use this. You can just play and see how the music is. So let me just play this. Right, you can check this, or say for example, you can check this. So whichever suits you, you can just click on download and you can get the download the music, and while editing the video you can include that. Now how do you know whether it's a great music or not? So just check how many people have already downloaded this. So this has been downloaded around 14,000 times. Now this has been downloaded around 1,84,000 times, right? So much more higher downloads as well. And again, so you could see it's around 13,000 times. So that's how you get to know which has been used more by the creators, right? So that's one way of checking. And one thing is, again, you also have multiple filter options here. You can just click on filter. Now say for example, you want to get video which are music which is anywhere between 4 to 8 minutes. You can select as 4 to 8 minutes. You'll see the music which are in that particular duration only, right? And again, so that's something that you can select. You can select the genre, right? Again, mood. So there are a lot of options that are there based on which you can search as well. Okay. So this is one thing. Now say for example, this website has all copyright free music only. And it does not really require you to give the credits as well. Now say for example, you still got the claim, right? Now it might happen as well. So say for example, let me just click on this, right? So it's just like this, and say for example, let me just check this. Now if you see here, this says content ID registered. Now when it says as content ID registered, the moment you are uploading a video on YouTube, including this music, you may get a copyright claim as well, because the content ID has been registered. But you don't have to worry. Now since you are going to take the music from Pixabay, right? All you need to do is just put a dispute saying that okay, you are using the music from Pixabay and the claim is going to be removed. Now how to do that? Just if you click on that question mark button and click on learn more, there are the complete details on how to clear a YouTube content ID claim with Pixabay license certificate, right? Now there is detailed steps that they have given. You just have to follow that, and the copyright claim, whatever you would have got, even if you get that, that is going to be removed, right? So again, this is a very powerful website for you to get free music that you can include in your videos. Now let's go to the second one. Now here is the second most powerful way of getting great music. So just quickly search as NCS on YouTube. The moment you search, you'll find something as no copyright sounds. Now you see here, no copyright sounds is a copyright free stream safe record label, right? So provided free to use. So that's what they say. Again, go to that channel. You have a lot of music that they have added. Say for example, maybe I just want to use this one. Okay, so let me just quickly play this, right? So again, you find a lot of beautiful music in this channel as well. All you need to do is you need to give credit for the music what you are using. Now how to give the credit or where you can find the credit details, just go to the video description and click on more. Right at the bottom, towards the bottom, you see like when you are using this track, please add this in your description, right? All you need to do is just copy this entire thing and paste it in your video description while uploading. Okay, so that's how you can make sure that okay, you are giving the credit and you're not going to face issue with this particular video. sorry, with this particular music. Okay. Now, how to get the best music that are there, right, from this channel. So let me tell you how to do that. Now, if you're looking for the most popular engaging music, just go to videos, go to popular. Now, all the music that you are seeing here, right, these are the ones which are being going crazy, right? You can see 472 million views or 298 million views, right? 232 million views. Let me just play this. Again, amazing, right? So it's a great audio that is there. So certainly you can use them without getting copyright issues. And again, say for example, even if you get a copyright claim, you can certainly dispute and say that you have taken the music from no copyright sounds, and it is clearly mentioned that, okay, it is free for you to use. Okay, if you get a copyright claim, you can certainly do that. And do understand one thing: when you use these musics, right, you may be getting copyright claim, but you will not get a copyright strike. Okay, so copyright claim is not going to impact your channel, but if you get too many copyright claims, then it is going to impact. But yes, you can certainly use the music, and if you get a copyright claim, you can dispute as well. Now let's see the other most powerful one, especially for vloggers. Okay, vlog NCS. Now there is one more channel called as vlog no copyright music. Now this has a lot of music, especially for vloggers. If you're looking for some great music, you can certainly do that. So again, go to this particular channel, right? So you can choose any music that is there. Just like the previous video where you gave the credits, you can certainly give the credits to this as well. Again, you can just play and see whichever music that you want to use. Okay. So now this is the second way of getting great music for your videos. Now, third and the most important one, where you will not face any issues and you will not get copyright claim, is by using the music from YouTube itself. Okay. So again, if you are still not subscribed to the channel, just click on subscribe if you like this video. Now let me tell you how you can get the music from YouTube as well. So just click on your channel icon, go to YouTube Studio. Once you go to YouTube Studio, just scroll down and you'll see here audio library. Just click on that. Now here, YouTube also has thousands of music that is available. And the moment you use any music from them, certainly you are not going to get any issues. Okay, so this is always the recommended one, but again, the first and second option that I gave, you will find a better music over there compared to what you might be finding here as well. Okay, so again, you can check or you can filter, you can do all those things. Say for example, I can search as again calm music, right? So it is going to list all the music in that way. Or say for example, you want to filter by mood, right? You can do that. So say for example, you are looking which is a bright song, right? You can just do that. You'll be able to find it. Now you can just play and see how the music is, right? So whichever you connect to it, you can certainly just click on download and you'll be able to get that music as well. Now once you download, you can certainly include in your videos. If you're looking for some sound effects, just go to sound effects. You'll see a lot of sound effects that are available here, which you can also use in your videos. So these are the three powerful ways on how you can get copyright free music for your videos, where you're not going to get a copyright claim. Even if you get copyright claim in the first and second option, you can just dispute and the claim is going to be removed. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions related to this topic or related to YouTube, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, just click on this info link. There are a lot of informative videos on how you can grow your YouTube channel to get great views, subscribers, and earnings as well. So thanks for watching. And if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel, which has been explained in the easiest way possible. Thank you. Take good care and see you in the next video.